How to fix YouTube cast not working to TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix if YouTube cast is not working on TV so you can enjoy your favorite videos on the big screen without any issue. Let's get started. First thing is to check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your phone, tablet, or PC and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. YouTube casting won't work across different networks. And once you've done that, you can also try to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back on again. You can also try to restart your device and restart your TV and casting device. For that, you can long press on your phone or tablet, and then you'll find the restart menu. Tap on restart and you should be good to go. Sometimes a simple reboot fixes connectivity issues. Then you can update YouTube app and TV firmware as well. Make sure your YouTube app is up to date. For that, you can go over to Play Store, then simply search for YouTube here and tap on this open button if there is an update button available. Then you can also go ahead and clear cache on your phone. For that, long press on YouTube, tap on the I button here, and then go to storage. Tap on clear cache, you should be good to go. And finally, you can use an alternative method if none of these works. Using an HDMI cable from your device to TV, and you can also try to use Google Chromecast or similar casting device as well. And that's it. Following these steps should fix your YouTube casting issue so you can watch your videos on your TV easily. If this helped, hit the like button below, comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.